Would you like to get legal services on US law without a US attorney license? Of course not, because such a service is illegal. As a savvy client, beware of some providers who can trick you into their wrongful services. I'm Biryuk, an international business attorney licensed to practice law in New York, Ukraine, and the US Supreme Court. Our clients reveal that some non-US lawyers and law firms advise on the US law without having a US attorney license or engaging a US licensed lawyer. Moreover, some of those lawyers even have no US education, let alone a law degree, such as an LLM. Their advice may hence appear to be a fairy tale. This problem is drastically widespread all over the world. If you experienced an illicit service by so-called US lawyers, please share your comments below to help others avoid that misfortune. What quality, professionalism, or responsibility can you expect from such a legal service? Obviously none. Most importantly, giving a wrong advice or other service, you risk missing a business opportunity, incurring a loss or liability, and wasting your time and money. That's what the licensing is there to prevent. In order to provide any service under the US law, a person must have a license to practice as an attorney and counselor at law. This regulation is highly important. Notably, the Supreme Court of each state sets the rules for bar admission, administers the bar exam, certifies lawyers upon passing the bar exam, vets each candidate's character and fitness, admits to the bar, issues licenses, and oversees attorneys admitted to the bar in that state. It's a rigorous quality control system. As a matter of fact, the US laws explicitly prohibit practicing law without a license. Provision of legal service without an attorney license is called unauthorized practice of law. That's a scam or even fraud subject to criminal liability. As such, non-licensed providers, in other words scammers, who do this evidently violate the law, not to mention the legal ethics. That's why they normally charge much less than licensed attorneys. The attorney license therefore protects you as a client. On the flip side, the absence of a license jeopardizes you. Instead of buying an unlawful service, you should have the comfort of knowing that the lawyer you select is actually licensed to practice law in the relevant jurisdiction. To this end, you can easily check whether a certain person has a license to practice law in the US. I'll now show you how. It's quick and free of charge. Let's take New York State. For example, you want to get legal advice on how to buy a business in New York. Here is your step-by-step action plan to check your New York attorney license. First, go to website nycourts.gov. Second, in the legal profession section, click the attorney search subsection. Third, on the opening page of attorney online services search, enter the first and last names of the attorney and click search. Fourth, on the attorney search results page, make sure that your attorney is in the list. Finally, click on the attorney's name and check his or her details. As you see, it's quite easy, isn't it? From now on, remember a simple rule. No attorney license means no legal service. Instead of buying an illegal service, better save your money and avoid such a service at all. To start off, you can also research and analyze your legal issue, for example on Google or generative AI, such as ChatGPT or Gemini. For more information on New York attorney license Lookup, subscribe to our newsletter at brooklaw.com. If you need legal help with your US business law issues, feel free to contact us. Good luck with hiring your legal lawyer.